Take a piece of paper and perform the toilet paper test in the bathroom. You'll quickly find out if you have a serious problem. Moisture in the bathroom is a problem in many homes. Accumulating water on tiles promotes mold growth. This happens in the corners of the shower and near the bathtub. In these areas, water doesn't dry as quickly. If there's moisture in the bathroom, mold and even fungus can quickly appear. That's why it's important to have dry air in the bathroom. Just wiping the fogged mirror or tiles sometimes isn't enough. The most important thing is proper air circulation, and that depends on a properly functioning ventilator. The bathroom exhaust fan also needs to be cleaned. Dust and dirt accumulate on it, which limits its operation. A gravity fan won't work either if all the windows and doors in the apartment are tightly closed. Lack of airflow causes it to stop working. To check if the fan is working, do the paper test. Take a piece of paper and hold it against the fan. A properly working fan will hold the paper. If the fan doesn't work, doesn't draw air, the paper won't stay. In that case, clean the fan. Also, open or loosen the windows to allow airflow in the apartment. Then the fan should work. During the paper test, the paper won't fall. Even a piece of toilet paper is enough. If it sticks, it will protect you from mold and fungi development.